Hey, this is a video on how to do brush on ombre with dip powder. You'll need two colors, a lighter color and a darker color, a base coat and a top coat, an activator, a file and buffer, an eyeshadow brush, and some wipes. We're going to start with our first layer of base, and we're going to dip it in the lighter color, tap off the excess, and then we'll do a second layer of the lighter color. Brush off the excess, and if you want to do a third layer of your lighter color, go ahead and put another layer of base and dip it in the lighter color one more time. Take your eyeshadow brush and pick up some of the darker color. Don't worry if it has glitter, the glitter won't stick. And just start brushing where you want most of the color. So if it's at the cuticles going up, start at the cuticles. If it's from the tips going down, start at the tips. And just brush it in circles like eyeshadow, like you're blending an eyeshadow. Now we have to protect our color from getting buffed off. So if you like to do that with clear, now is the time you would put another layer of base and dip it in clear. And then you can move on to the activator step. I like to use extra coats of base to protect my color, so I'm going to go straight into the activator step. We'll let that dry for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then we'll do 2 swipes of base coat for the first layer, a slower, more detailed second coat of base, and sometimes you might need 3 coats of base to get a little bit more encapsulating, like when you have glitters. After the base layers are dry, we can go ahead and shape it and smooth the nail. Give your nails a good wipe, get all the dust off. You can even rinse with water. Then we're going to do our second activator and let that dry for 2 to 3 minutes. I usually do 3 minutes, and then give it another good wipe afterwards. Now we do the top coat, and I just do 2 swipes on that first layer and pick up more liquid if I need more swipes. And then I do a second layer a little slower and cap the edges. Still don't want to do too many swipes. Then I wait a minute, and sometimes I need a third coat since my liquids are really thin, just to make it smooth and shiny. And I let it dry for 3 minutes. And that's it. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe. Thanks for watching.